Hello, this is Terry with Joaquin Trading.net, and this video we're going to go over the mechanics of our trade copier, which of course can be found at Joaquin Trading.net. And our current trade copier is Skippy. If you click on Skippy there, it will show you the specifics of our win rate. We gained 35.87%, and so far this year we're up 1,336 pips. Of course, this strategy started back in November, so we're currently, for the month of April, we're up 272. You can see what we did in March with 755 pips. So that is our Skippy. Again, JoaquinTrading.net. So let's go over how this works right after I pull up the disclaimer here. Okay, now this account on the left is the copier slave, which represents your platform, and this is the copier master, which would represent my platform or the master account. Everything taken on this account will automatically be taken on your account. Okay, so how this works is, so if I want to take a buy on this pair, I would just take a pair, and currently yours or the slave account is set to take one micro lot. Its default is to take exact trade size as the master. As you can see, it took 0.3 because the master took 0.3. You can see how quickly they got into the trade as well. The difference in the pips here, it can be due to the broker, differences in the brokers, or it could be that slight lag between the master taking it and the slave taking it. So if you want to change the your size that's traded, you just go into the parameters, and I would leave the lots mode identical on most of my strategies. I will add on positions. So if you change that to fix, you may not get the extra lot size. The first lot may be 0.01 lot, and the second one I may go up to 0.02 lots. So I would suggest leaving that identical, and then lots multiplier, changing that. But if you change the lots multipliers, say to 2, well, we'll change to 10 on the slave copier. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of this trade here. You can see how quickly it will close. Now, I'm going to take another trade on this. Take 0.01 lots, and since we changed the slave to take a different lot size, we changed it to take 10 times the multiplier, so 10 times 0.01 would be 1 mini lot instead of 1 micro lot. So if you want to take a standard lot, as opposed to the micro lot on the master, then that would take a standard lot size. At any time you can close your trade. I've already closed this one, but you can click on it and close your trade. Let's go back into our settings, and you can set fixed lots. If you fix your lot size here, set it to fixed 0.03. If you use this lots multiplier, it will multiply your fixed lots. So if you change it to fixed lots, leave your lots multiplier to 1. Click OK. Now let's take another trade over here. As you can see, it took 0.03, although it took 0.3 on mine because the master was set to take 0.3 lots. If I close out partial, let me set it up, hold on a second. If the master closes out a partial lot, then the slave takes the same percentage of the lot closed, the trade closed. Show you here. So if I want to take 0.1 lots out, I can .1 lots there. We close that, and it closed 0.01 lots on the slave, as you can see here. And if we close the rest of that out, it closes it all out on the slave. And if I were to take a pending order, it does not take it on the slave until it takes it. You don't see it on your side of the slave copier until it's taken on mine. So that is pretty much it. When it comes to how the trade copier works, it's very simple. You just install the trading copier global client into your experts folder on your platform, and then apply it to any chart. I suggest you apply it to M1. Again, you can apply it to any chart you want. I just always like the 1 minute chart for these. And that's it in a nutshell. It takes about 3 minutes, well, 5 minutes to set up the copier on your account. Okay, if you use this trade copier, suggest that you have a VPS, because your platform does need to be open at all times. And if you do not want to leave your computer on 24/7, then it suggests that you have a VPS. I put a link in the bottom of the description of the VPS companies that I use and I suggest. Also, now if you do not want to use the VPS, you don't want to purchase VPS, and you don't want to leave your computer on at all times, we have a secondary way of you using a trade copier, and I'll put a link to Zippy onto our trade copier on Signal Start, and you can go there and set that up and also take the same trades. They'll also be linked in the description. This is our in-house trade copier, master and slave, how they work. The master is where professional trades are taken. The slave is your account, your platform. Again, your platform will have to be open, but you don't have to have the same charts open that we have. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.